Okay, so in this experiment, we are gonna talk about a phenomenon called wettability. So wettability is basically the affinity of a solid to a particular kind of liquid. So there are mainly two types of wettability. One of them is water wet, which means the solid surface likes water or aqueous fluids, and the other type is oil wet, where the solid surface likes oils or paraffins and stuff like that. So in this experiment, we are gonna test the two types of surface, water wet and oil wet. So the apparatus here is, this is a camera, we have a light source, we have a stage for our substrates, and then we have a software here to just visualize what the camera sees. The first surface is just a plain glass slide with nothing on it. I'm gonna keep this here and put a drop of water on it. Just try to focus on the droplet of water. Okay. Now the way we measure the wettability is by the contact angle. So this here is the contact angle between the droplet and the glass slide, and then this is the reflection. The way to measure contact angle is to measure the angle between the two phases. So the phase here is water, the other phase is air. So we are gonna measure the contact angle between these phases, but through the denser phase. So the denser phase in this case would be the water. So we are gonna measure the contact angle like that. So the contact angle is gonna be something like this. It's gonna be about 10 or 15 degrees. So this tells us that the glass surface likes water, and that's why it's spreading on the glass surface, meaning the solid or the glass surface is water wet. I'm gonna take this off. And now the other kind of surface we have here is a rock chip that has been aged in oil for weeks. So this was saturated in oil and just kept in oil for several weeks so that the oil can change or alter the wettability of the rock. Now let's put a drop of water on the surface. Now if you see here, the contact angle measurement is going to be the same, because this is air, this is our oil. Oil is still denser than air, and we are going to measure the contact angle through the denser phase. So like that. Oh sorry, water, yeah. So this is a drop of water, this is our air, and we are going to measure the contact angle through the denser phase, which is water, and the contact angle is going to be something like that in this case, which is going to be about 80 degrees or so, making it neutral wet. So if the contact angle is towards 0 degrees, it's oil wet. It's somewhere around 90 degrees, it's neutral wet, and something like that would be very oil wet. So this is just to show you the difference between wettability of two surfaces. The first one we saw was water wet, which has a low contact angle. The second one was neutral wet, or a higher contact angle. And if we age the chip even more, the contact angle, the bubble shape is gonna change like that, and the contact angle to be measured would be like that, making it oil wet.
I think here also. I think here is oil wet.
Actually,
It's
yeah, you
probably,
can, if you try to measure the contact angle here, it's gonna be something like this, which is oil wet. So this part is neutral wet, but this part is oil wet.
Yeah. Because of rock heterogeneity maybe.
Yeah. And that's all for this experiment.